seen that we can post a quick blog post using this area over here called Quick Press, the title and the story. But we can use some slightly more advanced features. If we click on posts over here, or we can click on new post in the my blog at the top. Either way works. There's a post we've already written. Now we're going to click on add new, give it a title. Now this is a box to write our story into, similar to the Quick Press, except we have a bunch of icons. These are for uploading media at the top, but we have stuff very reminiscent of a word processor, so you probably recognize that. That icon will make text bold. That tool will make it italic. It's also retained the bold, so if we click bold again, it becomes not bold. This one, strike through, I'm not sure when you would want to use that. And these are bullets and numbered lists. This one is block quote, and it could be different depending on the theme you're using. And then we have the alignment tools, center, right or left align. And then we have the link tools. If we select some text we want to be a link and then click on the link icon, we get this, and we can add our link, and now that's become a link. And when we publish this post, the user will be able to click there and go to the site you've just listed. This feature here puts the read more tag in. So let's imagine that we're going to write something fairly long. Here's a long story. What we can do is we can choose to present the reader with this first paragraph. If we click on this icon, what it does is it presents just this first paragraph, could be called the teaser, and then the reader has to click on read more and the entire story comes up. You can change the colors of fonts. Obviously don't overdo this. You can prepare your story or posting in a word processor, such as Microsoft Word, etc. But you shouldn't paste that directly in. You should use one of these two icons here. Word particularly adds lots of extraneous code that you can't see but might upset your blog posting. So if you click on that icon, then you can paste your text into that box and then insert it into your blog post, and it strips away all the extraneous code. Similarly, this one will post as plain text, which is what you want ideally, because the blog creates the colors and the fonts and everything that you want. Finally, you might want to just click on this, which is the spell checker, and it highlights all the misspellings. Oops, there's a lot in here. When we fixed our spellings, we simply click on publish, and there's our story with the first paragraph. And because it's a longer story, there's the read more link that we put in, and if we click on continue reading, we see the entire story in all its glory.